Hi, what's going on, guys? T-Torres back here for another video. So we have the MB001. It's another 99cc mini bike that you can get 20% off. We'll have a link down in the description. Amazon, Walmart, HoverHearts will have code TIE20 for 20% off. And we're gonna build this bike, have a little bit of fun with it, ride it around, and then I'm gonna give it to my neighbor's son. He has no idea. I'm excited. Let's get to unboxing this. We got white. Alrighty. Okay, front fender and a front tire. All right, so there you have it. Some assembly is going to be required. Got to do the handlebars, front tire, front fender, and then we get some goodies over here. Looks like maybe some fresh oil, if I had to guess, and then a nice little cute rechargeable headlight. So I'd say probably looking at about 30 minutes and we should have this bad boy up and running and on the street. All right, first things first, I went ahead and put the handlebars on. You have your two nuts that you need to attach down there, and they give you the Allen key and the wrench. So let me go ahead and get those tightened up. I went ahead and put the headlight on. Pretty self-explanatory on how to do that. All right, so after I got the handlebars done, you want to make sure you put your tire on right. You got your spacers in, 14 millimeter on one side, 17 millimeter on the other side. Get that good and tight. And now let's move on to the front fender. All right, front fender is on. This thing is about ready to go tear up the streets. Gotta finish the seat. One little admin note is whenever you're screwing these in, it's gonna sit on the outside. And remember, this is plastic, so do not over tighten this. You will risk cracking this plastic. And just obviously they give you the provided Allen key. And then these two nuts here are gonna go for the rear seat. We'll pop some oil on this. I'll run to the gas station, go get some high octane 93. And then we're gonna take this thing for a rip. And I think I'm right around about 22 minutes on setting this bad boy up. All right, we topped her off with the engine oil that was provided. Let's go ahead and peel these stickers off. Make it official. I'm telling you what, somebody's got a cool neighbor. About to make some kid very, 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 very happy. Like I said, if you're interested in getting one of these for Christmas, for your son or daughter, or hell, even for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description to get yourself 20% off. Come on. There we go. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, that white on black looks pretty tight. All right, I just need to run to the gas station. Oh, that's pretty pimp. So you need to run to the gas station, get some 87, and then we'll fire this thing up for the first time. Take it on its main voyage. I'm right at 27 minutes and getting this thing done. Not bad at all. All right, nothing but the finest race fuel for this bad boy. All right. With my discount for the 20% off, this bike comes right around about $399. I think this will make a great Christmas gift too. We're about to go tear up the streets. Oh, this thing's about to be running good with this race fuel. Gotta love the smell of race fuel. All right, let's go ahead and fire this thing on. See if I'm smart enough to Get this thing going. Burning. Oh! Alright, let's go take this thing for a ride. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. We're definitely gonna have to take the governor off this bad boy. Yeah, we need to take that governor spring out. He doesn't like 200 pounds very well. I don't care what age you are, mini bikes are always fun. Oh, first little off-road adventure, eh? Oh, she didn't like that. First little burnout. Alright, make sure we got the fuel. Alright, fuel's on. Yeah, we're gonna have to get rid of that governor spring. Should be that one. Then we definitely need to get an exhaust on her. This thing is way too quiet. But there you have it. The HoverHearts 99cc mini bike. 20% off. Use code TY20. Link down in the description will take you right to it. And then I do get a little kickback, and all that money does go right back into the channel. So, dude, I'm excited to give this to my neighbor. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.